Yeah.
I don't know.
I know. Let's see what happens right here.
I'm just a bug. Another one.
What?
Oh. Another one.
I think he got off.
Darn it.
Yeah.
That's bad.
That fatty. Let me check your bait. Let me check your bait.
And they died.
Let's see. Can you believe that sucker?
You got my face?
Nope.
Yeah.
Nope, he didn't. Let's see here.
I'm not messing around.
No, you're not. Here, you ready?
Oh, that one.
What?
Nothing.
Hang on, your line's messed up. Come on.
Oh.
There, I think I got it. I think. It's on this weed.
I know what it is.
Yeah, it's caught on this part right here. Well.
What?
Hang on, I think I fixed it. I think so. But
3 days out.
while I was trying to get it fixed, he robbed you.
Really?
Yeah, we're gonna pay him back, ain't we? Yeah, we're gonna show him who's the boss. All right.
Yeah, we're talking about.
You take it out. Here. Oh my goodness. Hurry.
Hurry.
Already.
I will. Oh, sorry, the boss. Sorry, the boss.
Here's a nut. Keep reeling in. Reel him up closer. Keep reeling.
This is bad.
Oh yeah. Look at that sucker.
This came out of
Time.
nowhere.
So you don't take my bait.
Yeah. Let's take that from me.
Yeah. You paid him back, didn't you? You don't do it.
I'm laughing.
I know.
Am I funny?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you're funny. You're a trip.